morning children. Yesterday we will discuss specific heat of substance. Now today we discuss method of mixers, and derive principle of final temperature of the mixer. When T equal to final temperature of the mixer, T equal to M1 T1 plus M2 T2 by M1 plus M2. Derive equation final temperature of the mixer, T equal to M1 T1 plus M2 T2 by M1 plus M2. So procedure, let the initial temperatures of the samples of masses M1 and M2 be T1 and T2. First one M1 M2 అనే రెండు masses ఉండేటువంటి samples తీసుకుంటున్నాం. వాటి యొక్క initial temperatures of two samples of masses M1 and M2 be T1 and T2. Hence T1 is at a higher temperature and T2 is at a lower temperature. This is know that T1 greater than T2. Let T be the final temperature of the mixer. Let T be the final temperature of the mixer. The temperature of the mixer is lower than the hotter sample but higher than the colder sample. The temperature of mixer, and then take two samples of different temperatures of substance. These two substances are mix, and we can find out the final temperature of the mixer. The temperature of the mixer is lower than the hotter sample but higher than the colder sample. Any two different temperatures of substance can mix. The final temperature of mixer is lower than the hotter sample, higher than the colder sample. This means that the hot sample has lost heat and the cold sample has gained heat. This is because two different temperatures of substance are mixed. The hotter sample lost heat energy and the colder sample gained some heat energy. This means that the hot sample has lost heat and the cold sample has gained heat. There is no heat energy escape to surroundings. So the amount of heat lost by the hotter sample, Q1. The amount of heat lost by the hotter sample Q1 equal to the mass of hotter sample. The specific heat of given substance is water. So M1 S and T1 minus T2. T1 is hotter body temperature and T is the final temperature of the mixer. Final temperature of the mixer is lower than the hotter sample. So the amount of heat lost by the hotter sample Q1 equal to M1 S into T2 minus T1 minus T. The amount of heat gained by the colder sample. Qt is equal to M2 S T minus T1. So T minus T minus T2. The amount of heat gained by the polar sample. When two different temperatures of substance can mix, hotter sample lost heat energy and polar sample gained heat energy. The amount of heat lost by the hot sample Q1 equal to M1 S into T1 minus T. The amount of heat gained by the polar sample Q2 equal to M2. The mass of sample M2, the specific heat of sample S T minus T2. So final temperature of the mixer is higher than the initial temperature of polar body. So we know that heat loss equal to heat gain. So Q1 equal to Q2. Q1 equal to Q2. So the ఈక్వల్ చేసుకుంటున్నాం ఇక్కడ అంటే హాటర్ శాంపుల్ ఎంత హీట్ లాస్ అవుతుందో కోల్డర్ శాంపుల్ అంత హీట్ గెయిన్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి సో నెట్ heat loss equal to heat gained. Q1 equal to Q2 and Q1 equal to M1 S T1 minus T, M1 S T1 minus T equal to M2 S T minus T2. T minus T2. ఇక్కడ T1 minus T ఎందుకు రాస్తామంటే ఇక్కడ హాటర్ శాంపుల్ యొక్క టెంపరేచర్ అనేది ఫైనల్ టెంపరేచర్ ఆఫ్ మిక్సర్ కంటే ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి హాటర్ శాంపుల్ యొక్క టెంపరేచర్ నుంచి ఫైనల్ టెంపరేచర్ ఆఫ్ మిక్సర్ ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఇక్కడ M2S అంటే heat gained by the polar sample. So the final temperature of the mixer is higher than the polar sample. So ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తున్నామంటే ఫైనల్ టెంపరేచర్ ఆఫ్ ద మిక్సర్ లో నుంచి ఏం చేస్తున్నాం పోలార్ శాంపుల్ యొక్క టెంపరేచర్ ని సబ్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం. So Q1 equal to Q2 M1S T1 minus T equal to M2S T minus T2, where S is specific heat of water. Where S is specific heat of water, the two samples are same substance. When we take S is specific heat of water. So M1S. So we can open the brackets. M1S into T1, M1S T1 minus M1S T, M1S T1 minus M1S T equal to M2S T, M2S T minus M2S T2, M2S T2. We can M1S T1 and M2S T2 ni పక్కన తీసుకుంటాం అనుకోండి. M1S T1 plus M2S T2 equal to M1S T plus M2S T. T terms అన్నిటిని ఒకవైపు తీసుకుంటున్నాం. T1 T2 terms ఒకవైపు తీసుకుంటున్నాం. ఇక్కడ M1S T1 plus M2S T2 equal to M1S T. ఈ మైనస్ పక్కకు ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. M1S T plus M2S T, where S also common, S and the specific heat of substance are cancelled. So we can M1 T1 plus M2 T2 equal to M1 T1 plus M2 T2 equal to T. These are the T common అవుతుంది కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ T common తీస్తే M1 plus M2. So T is the final temperature of the mixer. T equal to ఈ M1 plus M2 అనేది ఇక్కడ మల్టిప్లై చేస్తుంది, ఇటు సైడ్ తీసుకొస్తే డివైడ్ చేస్తుంది. T equal to M1 T1 plus M2 T2 by M1 plus M2. T equal to M1 T1 plus M2 T2 by M1 plus M2. This is the formula of final temperature of the mixer. Now some problems are given to find the final temperature of the mixer. Final temperature of the mixer, we can use the final temperature of the mixer T equal to M1 T1 plus M2 T2 by M1 plus M2. We can solve the first problem. What would be the final temperature of a mixture of 50 grams of water at 20 degrees Celsius temperature and 50 grams of water at 40 degree temperature? So here the problem are given. Here the substance are same. The substance are same. The mass of substance have in two cases are same, but temperature of two substances are different. Different temperatures, same substance, same mass of substance, and different temperatures. We can find the final temperature of the mixer. So the incidental problem the water given and the water find out. We can write solution. So in this case M1 mass of substance M1 equal to 50 grams and the temperature T1 is equal to 20 degrees Celsius and M2 is equal to 50 grams and T2 is equal to 40 degrees Celsius and T equal to question mark final temperature of the mixer T. So we can use T equal to M1 T1 plus M2 T2 by M1 plus M2. We can substitute these values in the formula. That is equal to M1 So 50 into T1 20 plus M2 50 into T2 40 by M1 50 plus M2 50. So we can calculate this formula. 5 into 2 10. So 15 to 20 1000 plus 15 to 40 2000 by 50 plus 50 100. So that is equal 1000 plus 2000. So 3000 degree Celsius by 100. We can calculate. We can cancel this single 0 0 0 0. Hence final temperature of the mixer is 30 degrees Celsius. 30 degrees Celsius, or we can convert into degree Kelvin. So 273 plus 30. 30 plus 273. 30 plus 273. So 303 degree K. 303 degree K. So we can solve the given problem. We can write water given and water find out. So same mass of substance have same, but temperatures are different. So M1 equal to 50 grams, T1 equal to 20 degrees Celsius, M2 equal to 50 grams, and T2 equal to 40 degrees Celsius. We can find the final temperature of the mixer. T equal to, we can use formula M1 T1 plus M2 T2 by M1 plus M2. We can substitute the given values in the formula. 50 into 20 plus 50 into 40 by 50 plus 50, that is equal to 1000 plus 2000 by 100, that is equal to 3000 by 100. So 2 zeros cancel this 720, that is equal to 30 degrees Celsius. We can convert this temperature 30 plus 273, that is equal to 303 degrees Celsius, degree K, 303 K. So we can solve the other problem. What would be the final temperature of mixer of 60 grams of water at 30 degrees Celsius temperature and 60 grams of water at 60 degrees Celsius? To find the final temperature of the mixer, here in the given problem, the substance have water, the mass of substance have same but different temperatures. We can write water given and water find out. So M1 is equal to 60 grams and T1 is equal to 30 degrees Celsius and M2 is equal to 60 grams and T2 is equal to 60 degrees Celsius. So we can find the final temperature of the mixer. We can use T is equal to M1 T1 plus M2 T2 by M1 plus M2. Then we can substitute the given values in the formula. M1 60 into T1 30 plus M2 60 into 60 by M1 plus M2 60 plus 60 plus 60. So 60 is the 18, 60 is the 18, and 630 60 30, so 800 plus 6 is 36. So 66 is into 60 into 60, 3600 by 60 plus 60, 120. That is equal to 800 plus 3600. So unity calculate చేసామనుకోండి. So 0 0 4 3 plus 1 5 5400 by 120. So we can calculate the 0 0. So we can calculate the 2 sevens and 2 6 and another cancellation 2 3s, 2 1s, 2 3s, 2 5s. So another calculation 3 1s, 3 4s, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are, that is equal to 45 degrees Celsius. 45 degrees Celsius. We can find the final temperature of the mixer. The given data M1 equal to 60 grams, T1 equal to 30 degrees Celsius and M2 equal to 60 grams and T2 equal to 60 degrees Celsius. We can find the final temperature of the mixer. T equal to M1 T1 plus M2 T2 by M1 plus M2. So we can substitute these values. 60 into 30 plus 60 into 60 by 60 plus 60, that is equal to 60 30 30 is 800, 66 60 60s 3600 plus 60 plus 60 120. So we can calculate the cancel this equation. We can find out 45 degrees Celsius. So this is the final temperature of the mixer. We can observe in this problem the final temperature of the mixer is lower than the hot sample and higher than the water sample.